Hi guys, this is Julie again giving updates for the current hirings abroad, and this time I will show you the current hirings for Brunei. And pasensya na po guys sa aking boses ngayon because I'm just having a little bit colds, so my voice is a little bit funny. Alright, so anyway, we are still alright here, and I hope everybody is alright too. Okay, so this time janitor cleaner is in need in Brunei by Grade 1 International Placement Agency Incorporation. So it was posted last July 2 and application is until July 31st. So there are 150 vacancies for this job. Also is HVAC AC technicians for agency, Grade 1 International Placement Agency. Another is laundry supervisor, protection engineer, pastry chef, baker pastry chef, draftsman, land surveyor, infrastructure, sales lady, and marketing officer. Okay, so let's go one by one for all of these jobs for the additional information for the qualifications and the address or how can you apply for all of these agency. Alright, so let's go to janitor cleaner. So janitor cleaner, so there are 150 vacancies offered by this agency guys, Grade 1 International Placement Agency Incorporation. So the address for this is 945 Padre Fabra Street, corner General Luna Street, Ermita, Manila, Manila City, Metro Manila, Philippines. So this is their contact number. Alright, so anyway, Grade 1 International. Let's take a look first for the status of this agency. So, okay, here. So, of course, we always check for the status of the agency. Is it legal or not? To avoid illegal recruitment, guys. And anyway, I'm not a recruiter, guys. I'm not an agent. I don't have any commissions for all of these. I'm just showing you all of these to help those who are looking for jobs sa ating mga kababayan. Okay, so approved job orders by agency as of June 30, 2020. So an agency is Grade 1 International Placement Agency Incorporation. Alright, so this agency is legal agency, guys. So these are their job orders approved here, posted in the POEA website. So country is Brunei, Darussalam, Taiwan, Brunei, Taiwan, Japan, Taiwan, Brunei, Hong Kong, Qatar. Alright, so they are really for Brunei, so it's alright. So they have their approved job orders all here. Okay, so let's go back to that one. So qualifications for these: janitor cleaner, male or female, 21 years old and above, with or without experience, Filipino at least high school diploma. So qualifications. So to all interested applicants, kindly report here in their office every Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. located at 945 Padre Fabra Street, Corridor General Luna Street, Ermita, Manila, and bring your original documents, including your passport, valid more than a year, updated resume with job description, original passport, certificate of employment, school diploma, PO certificate, and e-registration. Anyway, guys, if you doesn't know how to make your PO certificate and e-registration, I had already also my previous video for this. Okay, so for more information, please don't hesitate to call these numbers. So they have cell phone numbers you may call or send SMS. and look for Miss Florine or Miss Jessa. Okay, another is HVAC or AC technician by same agency, guys, Grade 1 International Placement Agency Corporation. So there are 5 vacancies for this job. Qualifications is male, 23 years old and above. Minimum of 2 years experience, Filipino at least vocational diploma, short course certificate. Sorry guys, yung ilog ko hindi siya makahinga. So, it's alright. We're still alright here. So, to all qualifications, male applicants only. 25, didn't say the age limit. With at least 2 years experience in the same field. Experience abroad is an advantage. With valid passport. More than a year. To all interested applicants, kindly report here in their office Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and bring the following, including your passport, updated resume with job description, original passport, certificate of employment, school diploma, BO certificate, or email your application to, so this is their email address, grade1manpower@gmail.com. So for more info, please don't hesitate to call their numbers. So these are the contact numbers where you can inquire. Look for Miss Florine. So another is laundry supervisor. Laundry supervisor. So there are only 3 vacancies for this. So agency is Grade 1 International Placement Agency. So qualifications male, 35 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, at least vocational diploma. Sorry guys, yung ilog ko, it's clogged nose. So to all interested applicants, kindly report here. Kindly report in their office Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please bring the original documents, including your passport, updated resume with job description, original passport, certificates of employment, school diploma, PO certificate, e-registration, or email your application at grade1manpower@gmail.com. So for more inquiries, you may inquire with these numbers and look for Miss Florine or Miss Jessa. Alright, so protection engineer. So this protection engineer, there are 5 vacancies. Applications until July 8/28 by Oman Fields. So this is the agency for this. Omanville International Manpower Development Corporation. So the address is 2nd floor Rodeo Building, 802 kilometer 18 West Service Road South, Superhighway Paranaque, Paranaque City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Okay, for the Omanville, let's take a look for the status of this agency for the POEA website. So this is approved job orders by agency as of June 30, 2020. Agency is Omanville International Manpower Development Corporation. Alright, so this agency is legal, guys, legit. It's in the POEA accredited agencies. So the country, let's take a look for their job orders. So their latest here is Oman, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Suriname, Oman, Bangladesh, Canada, Qatar, Mozambique, Saudi, Singapore, Ireland, Madagascar. Alright, and the different positions and the job order. So their job orders is open, which means as many applicants as they could. Okay, so for the qualifications for this protection engineer, male, 21 years old and above, minimum 5 years experience, at least bachelor's college degree. Okay, so additional information. Applicants for engineer post must meet the following requirements: recognized degree, diploma, apprenticeship, or other equivalent of qualifications in electrical engineering, minimum of 4 years. Post-qualification experience in an electrical utility environment. Demonstrated knowledge of high voltage equipment maintenance criteria in an electrical utility environment. Demonstrated knowledge and ability of automated secondary current and voltage injection equipment. Okay, so there's no such additional information for this, so you may find maybe their Facebook page to look for the other informations or contact informations for this agency. Okay, another is pastry chef. So there are 5 vacancies by this agency, guys. Perry International Resources Incorporation. So address is Units A and B, 1845 Dian Cor Boyle Street, Palanan, Makati City, Metro Manila, Philippines. So these are their contact numbers. Alright, but before this, let's take a look for the status of this agency. Alright, so I am here on the BOE website where we can see the status. So, approved job orders by agency as of June 30, 2020. Agency is Perry International Resources Incorporation. Okay, so this agency is legal, guys. It's a POA accredited agency. Okay, so let's see country, position, date approved job orders. The latest here is Brunei, India, Bahrain, Singapore, Brunei, New Zealand, Ghana, Bahrain, Qatar, Brunei. Alright, so their Brunei here is already the job order approved here. So let's go back for the pastry chef. Qualifications, male or female, 25 years old and above, minimum 5 years experience, Filipino, at least vocational diploma, short course certificate. So additional information, qualifications must have at least 45 years experience as pastry chef, must be able to produce various pastries and cakes and able to provide news and recipes, 7 products to meet market demands, can do cake decorating also. So for interested applicants, you may email the following documents to email address ab2perry.international@gmail.com. Updated resume with job descriptions must be updated, employment certificates, trainings and seminar certificates, passport copy, diploma or theory copy, sample photos of your work or sample pictures of your previous work, PO certificate. Please register online through POS.boea.gov.ph. So if you doesn't know how to do this one, I had a tutorial how to do this, so please just take a look for that. Alright, so this is the address and their contact number. So another is baker, pastry chef. Baker, pastry chef, there are 6 vacancies by, so this is another agency, guys, offering this one. RRJM International Manpower Services Incorporation. So the address of this is 19th floor, Summit 1, Tower 530, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila, Philippines. So these are their contact numbers too. Okay, so before this, let's take a look for the status of this agency. Okay, so these here job orders by agency as of June 30, 2020. Sorry guys. Agency is RRJM International Manpower Services. So the country is Germany. So it's okay. So this is a legal agency, POA accredited, guys. So these are their job orders approved here. We can see Germany, Saudi Arabia, India, Saudi Arabia, Brunei, Saudi. Alright, so they got already Brunei here. Okay. So job description, candidates must have at least 3 years above in similar positions as baker, pastry chef, must be experienced in baking cakes and pastries, desserts, must provide some pictures or sample of what he has done, age from 25 to 35 years, preferable. So please report to their office ASAP for initial interview and line up or apply online and send your scanned copy of requirements to alus. So this is their email address, alus@rrjm.com. So please send your sample works, 2 sets of resumes with job descriptions, duties and responsibilities, and picture. Passports and bank clearances, diploma and TOR, certificates of employment, training certificates. So for more details, please call this number and look for Arlene. So another for Brunei is Draftsman by Sunrise Search and Support Incorporation. Another is Land Surveyor Infrastructure by RRJM International Manpower Services. So minimum of 5 years experience for these guys. So 5 vacancies by RRJM International Manpower Services Incorporation. So kindly send your application on these emails: gdubaya@rrjm.com or mdeguzman@rrjm.com. So this is there. Or you may report to their office for initial screening and line up. So you can also inquire with these numbers and look for Joy. Another is Sales Lady by RRJM International Manpower Services Incorporation. So minimum experience is so RRJM International Manpower Services Incorporation. So female, 25 years old and above. Minimum of 3 years experience, Filipino at this college level. So female, 27 and above, graduates of any 4-year course, level, vocational course, at least 3 years working experience as sales lady, cashiering experience is an advantage. So interested applicants may send their updated CV with picture to, sorry guys, yung ilong ko hindi makahiga, to cgiron@rrjm.com or cpcastuera@rrjm.com. You can also call their numbers. So these are their numbers here. Or visit their office. Another is Marketing Officer by RRJM International Power Services Incorporation. So there are two vacancies. Qualifications: female, 27 years old and above, minimum of 3 years experience, at least bachelor's college degree. So female only, 27, and it didn't indicate age limit. Graduate of marketing or any related course, at least 3 years working experience in the same field, preferably in retail industry. Interested applicants may send their updated CV with picture to cgiron@rrjm.com or cpcastuera@rrjm.com, or you may call their number here or visit their office, guys. Alright, so that's all for today for the current hirings for Brunei, and I hope that through this we can inform those who are looking for job. And this is Julie again. Thank you for your time watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are still new here, and see you again in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.